Well, hello, guys out there. Back with another small little uh, video that I wanted to come on here and share with you guys real quick. But first of all, I got to give an honor to God, who's the head of my life. Can't do this life without Him. And I hope all you guys out there is blessed. So, yes, this is the bag that my stuff came in, and I love to keep these bags because, guys, we can make journal covers out of these. I really, really like these. I would cut it down and make one of those real squishy covers out of that. So I'm going to just set this to the side up here. And then we're just going to go in here. I went and purchased the wax seal set. So I finally made up my mind I wanted to get it. But these are the little dots that I purchased also from Amazon. They're really, really cool. I'm going to open up one pack to just show you guys real quick. You know, like I said, it's only two things, so I haven't really went through the wax seal set yet. So I'm just going to take out one of these. You get 7 packs, and this is what they look like. They're translucent, and they come in 3 different sizes here. So I really do like them. So I'm going to put this back in here like so. And keep them in the packet just until I get ready to use them. All right, let me set these to the side real quick. Now, this is the wax seal set. This is what the box looked like. I did open the box. So let's see what's going on in here. Now, quite a few things did come with this. These are envelopes, I believe. And I don't think I will be mailing a letter. Let me throw that away. Mailing a letter with these, which these would be very, very beautiful to do that. These are very beautiful. So we turn them over. They are envelopes. This is how they look. You have a little thing right here. Yes, it's getting ready to storm up here, guys. Once again, last night was so bad that the power went out for a little bit last night. So basically something like that. You put your wax seal on there. But basically, guys, I'm going to be using these beautiful color envelopes. I'm going to be using these, guys, for my in my junk journals. I think those will be pretty to stuff things in. Yes, so, okay, I got 12 of these. Now we got our candles here. We get 10 of these. Open all of this stuff up real quick. Like I said, I have not opened it up. I'm opening it up with you guys. So, yeah, I went on ahead and invested in it. I said, you know what? I want to make my own wax seals. I do have some, but... So, these are just, let me see. Just little candles. You can actually buy these at your local dollar store also. So, I will pick up another pack of these right here. So let me set this to the side. Now we have 2 pens, I believe you can color in your wax seal. We have one silver and one gold. So let's see. Oh, wow. Very pretty. Is it anything that I can write on? Well, let me see if I can take this right here. I just want to see how it looks. Oh, okay. That is pretty. All right. Got 2 pens here. Love the color. All right, now we have our little things. Let me try to open that. Like, just give me the scissors, because I'm not going to put them back in the pack. So let's get both of them open. Yeah, it's starting to rain now. I mean, all day yesterday was just storm right after storm. Oh my God, guys. But this is what this one looks like. Right there, love it. A heart and some flowers. And this one is just a tree. I call it the tree of life. And right there. Yes, I will be purchasing some more of those right there. So I'm going to sit that down to the side. And then we have the little thing. We set our thing on to melt our little wax seals. We set this in here like this. Set our little burner up under there. Very, 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 very cute. So I'm going to set that to the side. And we just have some glitter here, guys. So I'm going to leave the glitter in this pack. And then we have, they gave us instructions on how to use this. So I will put this up, because I think I'm going to play with this for a little while. So let me remove this box. Not bad at all. We got a lot of different color, guys. Wow, beautiful colors. All right, let's see. Let's see if any tape on here. I don't see no tape on here. Oh, it feels like there's something on here. Okay. I know I felt it. Let's just cut that open. I think it's just on that side, so. Oh, wait a minute. All right. Oh my goodness, they so tiny. Okay, look at the color, guys. Wow. Beautiful little colors. You got your pinks. I'm loving that pink there. The black, the gold, the yellow, the white. Oh, I'm just loving all of these colors. Oh, especially this deep purple, guys. Yes. I am loving this. So, I will be ordering some more of those stamps right here. Make sure you guys can see me. And I will be ordering some different color wax that I don't have. So, I'm going to enjoy playing with this. So, I am going to sit back, set this up where I want to set it at, and where I set it at, that's where it will stay. So when I am doing journaling, I don't have to pull the box out and get it out and everything. So basically, guys, just wanted to come on here and share with you guys what I had got from Amazon. I finally invested in it. Yes, I did. And now, just a word, a short word. I want to come to you. I don't know who need to hear this, but the Lord put it on my heart, speaking to single parents out there. Please, and you guys know you have your enemies out there. The Lord put it on my heart. Please, don't let them pull you out of your character. That's what they want to do. They want you to come out of their character. As soon as you do that, you have fed the beast. So, like I said, I don't know who this word is for. But do not let them pull you out your character. Our Father is a Father of peace and order. He does things in order and self-control. He wants us to have self-control, guys. Yes, he do. So, like I said, because I got people to this day talks about me lie on me, and I don't know why they do it. I mean, come on, I'm a 60-year-old woman doing me, and I still have people out there talking about me and putting slander in my name, but that's okay. God told me, stand still and know that I am God. And just be still and let God fight your battles. No weapon formed against you will prosper. The weapon will form, but it won't hurt you. Because to let them know, like I always say, don't let your wooden God fool you. Because my God is very powerful. So on that note, I hope you guys keep your head up, keep the faith, stay strong, and most important of all, stay safe out there, guys. And like I said, don't let nobody pull you out of your character. Keep your head up. And I will connect with you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.